Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss tense. We will discuss what is tense and what are the types of tenses. So let's start. Read these sentences. I write this letter to please you. I wrote the letter in his very presence. I shall write another letter tomorrow. In the first sentence, the verb writes refer to the present time. In the sentence 2, the verb wrote refers to the past time. In sentence 3, the verb shall write refers to the future time. Thus, a verb may refer to present time, to past time, or to future time. Thus, a verb that refers to present time is said to be in present time. A verb that refers to past time is said to be in past time. And a verb that refers to future time is in फ्यूचर टेंस। टेंस दरअसल लातीनी ज़बान का लफ्ज़ है टेम्पस, उससे निकला है, उसका मतलब है टाइम। Thus there are three types of tenses: present, past and future. For each tense there are four types: indefinite tense, continuous tense, perfect tense and perfect continuous tense. I hope you will learn this video. Allah Hafiz.